Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Otaku Expo. Once again, we're back with another gang segment. So, what's up guys, I'm Cholo Filipino, and I am the country manager for Gang Philippines. So, for those who are not familiar, Gang is a monetization platform for all your favorite content creators. We got cosplayers, we got VTubers, we got streamers, digital artists, and more. So right now, hindi ako naka-cosplay. Usually naka-cosplay ako pag nandito ako, pero now hindi ako naka-cosplay kasi we're managing the gang booth over there in the back. And may dalawa kaming super special guests na pwede niyo ma-meet. So for now, I want to call them up here on stage. Can we all welcome Skate AG from Skate and Pompon Me! Ayun, hindi natin sila umakyat dito. By the way, we also have our other special guest over here, si Hakao. So if you want to meet her, please do line up and get a number because she is gonna be here all day. Super bait yan si Hakao. And of course, yung staff nila, napakabait. At ang pogi nitong si Brent dito. Yung may batak na may yellow hair. Alright, let's call up Pompon Me and Skate. Dito. Ready na sila, ah? Mic test. I hope everyone's enjoying the event pala. So, it's really cool that we have a Otaku Expo that's focused on manga and anime drawing because, you know, usually nakafocus talaga tayo sa cosplay, so it's nice that we're tapping into that community. So please, welcome them on stage. Please give them a huge round of applause once again, AJ and Pompon Me.
Hi guys, good afternoon.
Hi everyone!
Alright, thank you so much. Isang mic lang kayo, okay. Sige. Ay, meron ba? Lumalapit sa ko. Make sure that. Okay guys, so once again, this is Otaku Expo, the anime cosplay manga drawing special. Kaya we chose guests who are especially focused on that. So we have a cosplayer over here and of course, a digital artist, si Skate. So, before we begin, can you please give a little introduction about yourself to the audience for those na hindi pa kayo nakikilala, which is kind of hard to believe, no?
Hi everyone! I'm Pompon Me, a cosplayer and also a Nikkei content creator. Stay tuned everyone!
Alright. Ikaw naman, AJ.
Hi everyone, I'm AJ from Skate Comics. I'm a comic creator online and gumagawa ng comics at nagbebenta ng talong.
Tapos na content creator ka rin, bro.
Content creator din. And talong creator din, yeah.
Alright, so guys, once again, you can find both of these content creators on Gang. So, just before we start, let me just inform everyone that yes, I am the head for Gang Philippines, but we have Gang offices in different parts of Southeast Asia. So, we Gang Taiwan, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia. I think I forgot about Malaysia and so on. Yung mga taga-Japan at mag-amin rin ng Gang. But for the Philippines, we are very happy and proud to be partnered with Ozine and of course, Otaku Expo. So, ayan, sulit na sulit kayo dito and you guys can name your special favorite guest over here. So, last week, isama ka na, di ba? So, we actually partnered with, kung familiar kayo sa Spice One, nag-partner kami with Spice One. Tapos, ito, guest ko doon. Welcome back. So, how are you enjoying your time as a Gang creator?
Oh, I've been enjoying it so much. Since the start of the camp here in the Philippines, I've been using it and I'm very happy it's very useful for local and international since there's PayPal and GCash. Yeah.
Yun, so that's one thing that Pompon said. She really appreciates Gang because it has local and international connections. Meron tayong PayPal para sa mga international and of course, GCash. GCash is like the best thing ever when it comes to transactions here in the Philippines because napakadali, hindi mo kailangan ng card or whatever, so napakadali to support all your favorite content creators on Gang. Ikaw naman, Skate, how's your journey as a Gang creator?
As an artist, using the platform is usually for commissions. So, maganda siyang way for mag-demand for creators and makakapawin na talaga. And sometimes yung mga talong hindi mo nilalagay yung gusto na talaga.
May special merch ka ba on Gang na parang specific or
Pag may
special?
mga events, parang pag may specific event, ina-launch ko sa gang yung special talong or special limited something to have it reserved. And then when the event comes, nandun na naka-reserve yun.
Parang pre-order, parang
Yeah, the pre-order platform, parang sometimes instead of using sa Google Forms, ganyan, doon kasi nakatali. Tapos pag na-receive na, parang top-top, parang may pagka-e-commerce yung dating na kaya na yung gang. Same with commissions, parang nakapila na yung commissions mo doon. Kaya isa-isahin mo sila sa chat.
Oo nga, yung parang pwede ka magpag-bookes sila parang art na skate-ified, di ba?
Yeah, we've been doing Skateify din sa gang to. So if some people want to have their results Skateify, via gang din. Tapos ang galing kami yung platform na para automatic yung mga commissions nandun.
Alright, thank you so much, man. And ikaw naman, Pompon me. So, nabigay na niya yung mga favorite features niya. Ano yung favorite na feature mo na gamitin sa Gang?
Noon, because I used to sell some photo set. Very useful in shop. Pero right now, since I've been busy doing good and everything, right now, I'm doing donations. It's very useful to me kasi like this one, this was sponsored by someone.
Oh, ganda! That's so nice. Can you actually tell everyone who you're cosplaying?
OMG, I think only 2010s can relate. I think. I'm cosplaying as Luca from Vocaloid. This is a very old title.
Yeah, sa Vocaloid. So, parang actually, yung kilala doon si Niku, pero marami naman talagang characters. May twins pa nga, diba? Tapos may guy, tapos kumakanta ng mga blue hair and stuff.
Do you plan to wear me too? Bibi no money.
Pinipilit nga ba ni, ni Kits na gawin yung twins?
Yes. Bring it in.
Ayun, so
Even more color.
thank you so much, you guys. Ayun, do you guys have anything to promote pala to our audience members here? Siyempre, we have their booths over there. Hindi ko lang, mamili ko mo skate, tapos katabi niya si Pompon me. Do you have anything to promote sa booth with you?
In my booth, you can avail for my photos, some Polaroid and some standees. You can also have free photo with me. Just use the hashtag Tarara.
That's right. Guys, if you take pictures with either AJ or Pompon me, or kahit ako, kapag nag-post kayo ng hashtag Taraga, magpapamigay kami ng super special prize after ng event. Titingnan natin lahat na nag-post, kailangan public post ng hashtag Taraga, magpapamigay kami ng mga merch, t-shirt, exclusive stuff sa inyo. Kami magkukontak sa inyo. So, post lang kayo ng post. Ikaw, AJ, may gusto mo pa bang i-promote sa booth?
Yeah, so ipa-plug ko lang. The booth of skate is there sa gitna. Yung may dalawang malaking talong sa gitna ng stage, ng event. And yeah, we have anime merch, stickers, original art, comic books, some of which National Book Award finalist last year sa graphic novel, and others. Like, of course, also take a photo, hashtag Taraga, and get some special prize and stuff.
Alright, so to cap things off, para naman may iuwi yung mga audience members natin, can you each give me, ikaw muna, what is your top one tip to mga budding digital artists out there, mga mahilig gumawa ng comics? Ano yung top one tip mo?
Okay, actually, a lot of people are making comics right now online, and I'm happy to see it. At saka dumadami na rin ang mga artists na creators, and sabi ko nga, the challenging part first is starting it, next is making a consistency na every week you tell yourself na going to make a post and create something. And just continue doing and doing your passion for a purpose, and eventually it will grow. Just continue doing it.
That's right. So basically, if you want to make it a career, first you have to make it a habit. Kasi syempre, pag naging habit na yung isang bagay, hindi na siya trabaho eh. Matik na siya, di ba? Ikaw naman, Company, may tips ka ba for any of the, syempre, ang daming cosplayers dito. So, may tips for newer cosplayers na gusto maging big or gusto mag-grow dito sa cosplay community natin. May tips ka ba?
My only tip is that you do what you do, basta prioritize having fun. Second is being, yun na, making content. Kasi magpa-pressure tayo, you do pressure if you continue doing mahabol ka sa trend. As much as possible, make sure you love what you're doing and you love the character. Like, for example, me right now, I've been a Vocaloid fan since I was 9 years old. And ngayon, natupad yung pangarap ko na Luca cosplay. So yun lang, keep on your own pace.
Ayun, you gotta do something you love, plus you get to relive your childhood as well. So, salamat you guys, I really appreciate it. Let's have a photo pala, sino yung official photographer natin. Dito tayo sa gitna ng backdrop natin, ako sa picture tayo. Ayun, thank you so much. Once again, that was AG from Skate and Coco and me. Bakit ka nagpo-post? Ayun. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on stage. Really appreciate you guys. And syempre, you can meet them today until the event ends, as well as tomorrow, babalik sila. Kung gusto mo makita ko na yung mga bagong cosplay, like the Con bukas, you can visit again. Of course, Cheesecake, Pogi pa rin bukas, just like how Pogi is today. So, see you around, mga dude. And I'll see you guys around the event. Hope you guys are enjoying once again Otaku Expo. And let's take some photos, let's have some fun, and let's support all our favorite content creators. Once again, this is Cholo Tolentino, the country head of GAN Philippines, and I'll see you guys around. Bye!